say, but outside is crazy. It's madness. All the supermarkets are like full up. I don't know, but I don't like being in crazy stuff, lines, etc. I'll just not built for that sort of stuff. It's like, I'm here, let me in. But I went to the dollar store because that's where I usually get like cleaning supplies from, or any little thing that you need for like your bathroom or kitchen or anything. It's just much cheaper there than going to the supermarket or Walmart, unless you go to like Costco and, you know, like stuff that I buy in bulks are usually like toilet paper, detergent. It's just me. But like if I had children, then I would go to Costco and like bulk up on like Clorox and all that, etc., because they come in like packs and packs of like 20. I did bought a bunch. I had to do 2 runs of cleaning stuff, which is frustrating, but one place wasn't open where I usually get the stuff from, so the hours. So if you're like looking to go to like certain places that are like essential, opening shops, etc., check online before going. It seems like they do have the times online. If you search for the particular location, Dollarama, they have different times. I did wash my hands. They have different times for different areas. Some are open a little bit later than some. I guess because of like the area. Also, the ones in the mall are obviously open later and close earlier. I guess for like the traffic, when I entered the mall, they asked for like my first and last name, my phone number, and where I was going. Obviously, because if someone went in there and then got tested around that same time, they would know and obviously call everyone and let them know. I'm guessing that's why they asked, to keep track of who's coming in, who's coming in and out of the mall, whether you're working there or not working there, which is a very good thing. Someone is at the door, standing all the time. But I was the first one there. I thought it said 11, but maybe I didn't read the Sunday time. But I was there for like 11:40. So I just waited 20 minutes, went in, came back out. I came out in like 28 minutes, you know. So I got everything. I can show you guys everything because I'm gonna like start to wipe down everything right now. So I've got the best thing here, which is vinegar. Who doesn't love a good old vinegar? So I'm going to get my bag and start to wipe down. I bought some wipes. I was looking for like some Clorox wipes. I didn't see any. I was also looking for, what else? I was looking for some hand sanitizer. This is probably the only time in my life that I would ever want hand sanitizer. Like, anyone that knows me knows I hate hand sanitizer. Like, I prefer to wash my hands with water and soap. Hand sanitizer, I hate the Clorox smell. I mean the alcohol smell. And I hate the feeling of it. My hands are not built for being dry. Like, my hands are always moisturized. If you know me, I always have moisturizer on me. I probably do a fun video, since like there's not much things to do. A fun video of like what is in my bag, like what I always carry, whether I go to like a club, a fete, a party. You know, I don't go nowhere with those things that are in my bag. So probably I might do what's in ShaRissa's bag. Okay, let me get the stuff and start to clean these things and show you guys what I got. But keep in mind that I bought some stuff earlier in the week. That particular dollar store did not have all of the things that I want. You always know particular stores that always have certain things that you usually get, or that have a selection of more things compared to other stores. So the one that I went to over in the week, it was not the one that I usually go to. So they didn't have certain things that I usually get. So I had to make a second run, obviously, something I did not want to do. But I'm done. Like, I have stuff to last me like cleaning supplies to last me for like 3 months. So let's hope this thing does not go more than 3 months. Let's hope it's only 1 more month, because it's crazy. Everything is, how to put it? I don't know. It's just, it's scary. It's frightening. It's, we're losing money in a way. Maybe we are saving a little bit because we're not doing things that we usually do. It was winter, so I wasn't going anywhere. I'd be hibernated for winter. But yeah, so let me go and get these things and stop rambling. This is the bag of stuff that I bought. When I went during the week, I had 2 bags. I had this bag and a little bit bigger bag. What I'm gonna do first is I bought some gloves because I was looking for some gloves at the supermarket, the dollar store that I went to during the week. There was none, so I bought some. I'm gonna put some of this in a cup. I'm gonna put some vinegar in a cup because I used to cook with this and stuff, so I just put a little bit of there. I'm gonna put black vinegar, but vinegar is a lifesaver. If you don't use vinegar, I use everything with vinegar, washing fruits and vegetables before this time, long before this whole corona stuff. I feel like I'm weird because it's like all of the things that I would usually do, people don't do. I just have OCD problems, like serious OCD problems. But other of my friends tell me I don't have serious OCD problems. It's just what's in my, you know. So I have some of that there. Mix a little bit with water because vinegar is really strong. But I wet it. This is the wipe. I have 2 wipes here. I'm gonna wipe. I'm gonna start wiping the wipes. But this is one. This is the wipes that I got. It's just wet wipes. It doesn't have like Clorox or anything on it, so that's why I said let me get the vinegar and put some vinegar on the wet wipes and mixing. So I got those wet wipes. I got some tissue. Funny thing, I usually buy tissue in bulk, but I ran out last month. So I usually wait until they have sales for certain things and buy like 2 of them. So if there's like toilet paper of like a 30 pack for usually like $15, and it's on sale for it's $15 on sale, but it's usually like $22. I would buy like 2 of those one time, and that would last me for like a long time, you know. So for like 3 months. So it's like, or longer than 3 months, like 4 months. So it's just, you know. So I bought one of those rolls because I don't really use pack of like paper rolls that often. I usually buy the Bounty paper roll. I think it's like 8 that comes in a pack, but that lasts me for a long time because it's just me, you know. Oh, I bought some Q-tips. This is basically like a Dollarama haul, I guess. Dollarama haul is cleaning stuff. Chit chat Dollarama haul is cleaning stuff and me yapping my mouth. I bought some cloth wipes. I thought I had a pack of these, but I checked when I came home, my first Dollarama run, and I wasn't seeing any, and I really need these for like just wiping down, instead of using like tissue and stuff like that, and like my cloth, having to like wash these all the time with soap. So I'll probably put these in the laundry today and wash them and just leave one out and just keep one. So I bought some razors because I'm not going to be able to go and get wax, which sucks, but like I was actually looking up to see if I can order some wax and maybe do it myself. Do you guys think I can pull it off? I'm pretty like a good DIY person. But I bought some razors just in case for like my armpit, my legs and stuff like that, to just be hygienic, you know. I bought some mothballs. I don't know if anyone knows about these, but I grew up with this in my house. My granny would always put them in the house. And I kind of like the smell of them, which is have a weird smell, but they smell damn, I don't know, weird. But these are like to just keep away like insects and bugs and stuff like that, etc. So I would just like put them like in corners of the house. I'm not really like a big insect person. I'm not like, oh like insects. I don't like those things. Things that crawl in, no. Me and them are not friends. Wash it with some soap and put some more vinegar water on it, because that's just the easiest thing to do. I also bought some of these in case I run out of tissue. I'm not really a big fan of the tissue at the dollar store. It's like that cheap paper thing, so you can't even use it twice like a Bounty and like say, okay, let me wipe up the counter with water and then wipe it again. Can't do that. It's dead. It's dead even when you put water on it. So I bought, usually I buy a different cleaning spray, but I bought this Vim to just see how it works for like the bathtub. So some Jazz Breeze. It's not Febreze, but I guess it's a cheaper version. I don't know, but I bought this, some Febreze Jazz Breeze. I bought a bunch of Ziploc bags and stuff like that the other day, but I bought one more pack just in case, because I have been cutting up fruits and vegetables and freezing them, like celery. I see what I can do to make life a little bit easier with trying to preserve fruits and vegetables. I can probably do a video on that as well. I bought some garbage bags, just in case. I really did needed some new scrubbies, so I bought some scrubbies. I threw away my old ones, so I bought 3 scrubbies. I am gonna wash these before using them. It's a long video, so I hope you guys are fine with that. I'm not editing this video. I'm just gonna post it. Why not? I bought some Kleenex. I have like 2 Kleenex, but I don't usually like blow my nose or anything like that often, so that is there. That's there. I bought some gloves, as I told you guys I was looking for gloves. Finally found some like disposable gloves. I usually buy like scented bags for my bathroom. You know, just to keep things, not like my bathroom smells bad or anything, far from. But, you know, just, they're like scented bags. They're really good, especially if you have like babies, for like diapers and stuff like that. I know some people have like their diaper thing, but they're just really good, like if you have like your period, like it's good, like, you know, unless you like put stuff in a separate bin. You know, I bought some of these, wipes. Wet wipes, Magic Jack wipes for the Twister. I usually buy, I have another pack in there, but I usually buy like the dry ones, and I would mix like Clorox and Disney Clean like liquid, and just, you know, pour it and just swipe. So I bought those ones, just in case I run out. I bought some more wipes. There were literally like a limit of, like, you had to do a limit of 2 wipes. Some hydroperoxide. I bought 2 of them. You know, I bought some alcohol. These are things that you should always have. I have some, but I was just like, let me buy some, because when I went into the Dollarama over the week, they had no peroxide, they had no alcohol, they had no nothing. I bought some of these for the toilet bowl cleaner. I'm home all the time now, so like, you know. I got some Lysol. They had like these Lysols, and it was like 2 for like, it was like, this was actually pretty expensive, and I could have probably bought this from the supermarket, but I'm not going back to the supermarket. This was $3.50 at the dollar store. The big one is like $3.50, isn't it? So let me know. Let me know in the comments below because I think I'm crazy. I bought it because I needed it. It's a necessity at this moment right now. Some batteries just in case. Maybe dollar store batteries are not the best batteries to buy, but oh well. I bought them. So they last pretty long, but if you're obviously going to need something for like heavier battery use, I would say buy some batteries from Walmart or a department store that's going to like ship them to you or whatever. But that is it. That is what I bought from the dollar store for cleaning supplies. And I'm going to wipe this bag. These are the things that I bought from the store. From the store.